You apply to 50 companies on LinkedIn, Nowcree, and Instahire. 100. And you get absolutely nothing back, just endless radio silence. But here's the harsh reality nobody tells you. Most of the time, a human recruiter never even opened your resume. On a flooded posting, software filters out the majority before a single person sees your name. I'm going to show you how to beat that software using nothing but free AI tools. This is the exact zero-cost workflow that takes you from getting ghosted to actually landing interview calls. Your resume, your cover letter, and your mock interviews, all optimized. And every prompt is on screen and pinned below. First, let's understand the real enemy. When one mid-level developer opening in India gets 3,000 applicants in 2 hours, HR teams lean on an ATS, an applicant tracking system. Before a human ever reads your profile, this bot scans your document for the exact tech stack and phrasing from the job description. No match. Automatic rejection. So the game was never about a pretty resume. It's about writing one that speaks the bot's language, while still sounding human. And that is exactly what AI is built for. Step 1. Copy the entire job description, grab your current resume, and open any free AI. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude all work. Paste the resume prompt on screen. In plain English, it tells the AI to rewrite your resume for this exact role, inject the real keywords wherever they honestly apply, and turn your duties into achievements with real numbers. That last rule is critical. Never let the AI invent tools you haven't touched. You will get shredded the moment a senior engineer probes you. But watch what it does to your boring bullet points. Responsible for writing backend APIs becomes optimized Node.js endpoints and cut API latency using your own real numbers. Same work, completely different impact. Step 2 is the one almost everyone forgets. Right after it rewrites your resume, send the follow-up prompt on screen. It lists the top 10 keywords and tools from the job post that your resume is still missing. Things like Docker, Redis, or Siege CD pipelines. Now you have an instant checklist. If you've used any of them, even in a small side project, add them. This is what clears the filter and gets you onto a real desk. Step 3, the cover letter. And please, don't let AI dump out that robotic boilerplate that reads like a manual. Pull one real detail from the company's engineering blog or culture page and use the cover letter prompt on screen. That single custom detail changes everything. It turns a desperate blast email into a message that looks like you actually researched where you're applying. Step 4 is where you actually win the offer. Once you land the interview, paste everything back and turn on voice mode. Tell it to act as a strict technical hiring manager. Ask you one question at a time, and after each answer, score you out of 10 and tell you exactly where you were weak. Instead of reading static cheat sheets, you're practicing out loud and getting instant, honest feedback for free. Do this 2 or 3 times, and you walk in calm, sharp, and ready. One bonus. Take those same keywords and update your LinkedIn about and experience sections, because recruiters query those terms every single day. Now let's be honest. AI will not magically get you hired. It clears the bottleneck so you get noticed, and it gives you a place to prepare. You still have to show up and prove it. But getting your foot in the door? That was half the battle. And now the algorithm is finally working for you. That's the complete workflow, and you can run all of it tonight. If this gave you a real strategy, follow TechTraceN. Every week, we turn complex tools into practical workflows that move your career forward. I'll see you in the next one.